Hello, Nick. Sorry kung hindi kami nakarating sa bridal shower mo, pero andyan sila atin. Angel, andyan ang mga pinsan mo, andyan ang iba mong friends. So, I think they really made an effort for you to have this party. So, I hope you're going to enjoy your day. And then, finally, may ikakasal na sa atin. So, congratulations sa nalalapit inyong kasal ni Jay. I know you've been waiting for this day. So, finally, malapit na siya and babawi kami sa'yo sa mismong wedding mo. So, wala nang iyakan to, friend. I know, deserve mo lahat. You are such a super mom. You are a good person in general. So, love kayo ni Lord. Sana maging strong ang relationship niyo ni Je para din sa mga kids. So, ayun lang. Enjoy your day. Congratulations. See you soon. We love you. We miss you.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations, Ate Nikki, kasi matutupad na yung pangarap ni Kuya Gerard. Charot. No, really, I'm happy for the both of you na maikakasal na kayo, of course, and you already have your small family, and I think that's the best thing to do. And also, I'm really sorry kung hindi ako makakapunta sa bridal shower mo today. So, just so you know, yung pinag-uusapan natin before, I'm already working. Yay! Kaso ang masakit doon, I work from 1 a.m. to 10 a.m. So, I follow a Canadian time. So, yun lang. Baka pag pumunta ako sa bridal shower mo today is baka bigla na lang akong tumago sa pader. Naman. But anyway, of course, we'll be at your wedding, me and Sappy, your Bible bearer. So, good luck on that. Pero, okay, ang awkward. Ano bang mga sinasabi sa ganito? Syempre, for me na lang po, since I know that you are already aware or maybe a lot of other people already mentioned this to you na I believe the best thing that you can hold on to whenever there are disagreements or miscommunications between you and your partner, which is di naman nawawala yun, is to remember the friendship that you have and of course the respect. Yan ang number one. Dapat di nawawala. And yun. What else? I just pray that your marriage becomes a place where both of you feels loved, understood, and always at home. Yun lang. And I'm pretty sure Mommy and Tita Telly are so happy right now, even if, or wherever they are, kasi may kakasal na yung isa sa mga pinakamaganda nilang angkan. Charot. Anyway, I love you. I don't have much to say. Ang haba na rin yata nito. And Ate Isa, I'm sorry, ngayon lang ako nag-send kasi sobrang pickle-minded ko kung makakapunta ko or what. And it's already 3:23 a.m. sa oras natin. So, that's just it. I love you. I'll see you on your wedding day. So, pamper yourself. Huwag masyado magpaka-stress. Kumain ka bago ka ikasal. And what else? Mag-ano ka, ice kineme sa face. Although maganda mo ng face mo, hindi na kailangan. But then, I'll see you on that day, okay? I love you. Pwede ka bang tumakas?
Hi, Ate Nikki. First, I want to greet you. Happy Mother's Day. And syempre, congratulations kasi finally, kakasal ka na. And dati yun, iniisip ko pa lang, sabi ko, kailan kayo kakasal si Ate Nikki tsaka si Kuya Jay? Kasi syempre, tagal nyo na, di ba? And then, nung nag-chat ka, nung sabi mo na, pwede ba akong maging bridesmaid nito? Sobrang saya ko. Kasi syempre, isip ko, finally may tumaganap na sa kuya ko. Joke lang. Syempre, alam ko naman na sa tagal niya na, tapos sa tagal niyo, dami nang nangyari sa relationship niyo, mga pinagdaanan niyo, and happy ako kasi nalagpasan niyo yung mga problema niyo. And ayun, ayun umiyak. And at least, masaya ako kasi kayo pa rin, kayo pa rin ang engage sa isa't isa. So, yun lang, Ate Nikki. So, good luck sa marriage life nyo. I wish na mas lalo pa kayong tumagal. And mas lalo nyo pang mahalin ang isa't isa. Bye! See you on May 16. Congrats!
Hi Nix, congratulations on your upcoming wedding day. Sorry kung hindi ako makakapunta dyan, but thank you for understanding. So, I'm really happy for you and sobrang deserve mo ang happiness with Je and your family. So, I love you, I miss you, see you soon.
Hello, Nikki, my future sister-in-law. First of all, I want to greet you Happy Mother's Day and also congratulations sa kasal niyo ni Gerald. Thank you for being part of our family. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa kapatid ko and also pag-aalaga kila Talia. Thank you so much, Nikki. Congratulations. Love ya.
Hi sis! Congratulations! I'm very happy for you and for Jet, and congratulations on this marriage. And I just wanted you to know how proud I am of the person you've become. As your ate, naalala ko dati kung paano ka pa sinusundo ni Mama. Doon sa may area nila Je, but look at you now. Diyan din pala yung tuloy. So, I'm very happy and very excited for your wedding. Although wala ako dyan, I know na sana in some ways napaparamdam ko na kasama ko pa rin kayo. And naiyak ako. Pero I just hope na sobrang saya ng wedding and I know it will be kahit wala ako. But when we go home, I'm pretty sure that we're gonna catch up. And siguro ang pinaka best advice na masasabi ko bilang ate mo and I'm a happily married woman is I always remember kung ano yung sinabi sa amin sa church, that always love one another and always forgive one another. Kasi kung love lang, kulang yon. You always have to have the balance of everything. And I'm very happy kasi it's working out for me and I know it will definitely work out for you and for Jet. So, yun lang. Baka umiyak ako ng mahaba. Mahal na mahal kita, sis. And I'm very happy. Sana nakauwi ako. But soon, I know makakauwi ako and we'll get to celebrate all the events that I've missed. So, yun lang. I love you.